So at long last, I've done it. I've got Starlink. The whole point of this video is because I've been here now nearly 10 years. I've been using Wi-Fi and it's been fantastic over the years. I must admit the service has been really good. When we have had a problem, they've always come out and try and sort it. But I'll be honest, the past couple of years, I don't know, it's been slow, that's all I can say. And what I've noticed, especially because I do a YouTube channel, when I'm uploading videos, God, they were taking ages. And I knew about Starlink well over a year ago. But what put me off the most was it's a bit of a risk because it does cost more. It's costing me €40 a month. Now, I only just started. What they do at the moment, they send you the kit for free. And as soon as you plug it in to start using the internet, you start paying your payments. Now, one of the things they're doing at the moment is if you contact me, I can send you a link and you get the first payment free, which I think is a good idea. And obviously, if you get the free unit, you take out like a 12-month option. But it does say after a month, if you're not happy with it, you can always send it back. Now, I'll be honest, I've had it just over a week now. They do say that once you set it up, I'm going to show you some footage. When I first got it, I put it over there, I put it on the ground. And you do everything, guys, on your phone. Right, as you can see on the screen, I've got to move that dish 9 degrees. I think what it is to do with the... Yep, it's in the correct position. Okay. So what it's doing now, so it's doing another calibration. That's what these things do. I'm ready. Point the camera up. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm just going around the dish. Okay. Right, it's going. Now that loaded pretty quick. And it's all got, okay. So you need to be a little bit savvy on how to use it. So I've downloaded the app, I set it up. You just follow the instructions on the phone. You'd line it up. Obviously putting the cable in, I thought was gonna be a problem, but it wasn't. I fed it down the old satellite dish, hooked it into the new Starlink router, really easy to do, to be honest, and I was up and running. I also got a router downstairs in the basement, which I just plugged it in the back of the new Starlink router, all working fine. But it needs to settle. It takes about a good week to settle in, and the past couple of days uploading stuff, it's been so quick. I put up some what you call it now, some readings that one had on the old system and 2 on the new system. And then what's good about this is through the app, you can see everything. You can see the devices that you're using. If you've got phones, tablets, obviously we've got it plugged into the telly, gives you all that information. You can get a reading all the time. Yeah, so much better, but it does come with a cost, obviously. But I think €40, that's not bad. And for those people living in other parts of Spain, a whole of Spain's covered. So even if you're living out on the Campo, this thing's going to work. As long as that dish is pointing north, you're going to get a good reception. Obviously, I put mine on the roof. Now, I did have it over there. Now, we use the roof now just for putting the washing up. But what I didn't want to happen is me trip over the cable or move the dish there. It's not that heavy. I had to buy this. This is extra. This mount, I got it off Amazon. I think it's €54. You can get cheaper ones. I just thought I'd rather have the ones that cost a little bit more. Yeah, I do recommend Starlink. I think everybody that I've seen on Facebook or people I've bumped into, and I've been putting it out over the past year, get Starlink, Sean. You're never going to regret it. And I'll be honest, no. What I will say, because now obviously we're using stream stuff coming for the TV, you're still not going to get rid of the buffering. You will get buffering every now and again. That's just one thing that we're always going to get. Some people say, we don't get it, but they're lying. You do get buffering, but it's nothing like it used to be. Usually, it's easy when you get an advert, and you get an advert, it kicks it out for some reason, and then it didn't used to go back in. Well, now I don't get that problem. You get a little bit of buffering sometimes, and then you're straight back into it. So, yeah, I recommend Starlink, guys. I mean, it's a bit like the old days, isn't it? Remember when Sky first set off, big dish, people said, never take off. Everybody's used to have a Sky dish, didn't they? And now I think this is the next stage up from it. Because I've seen even cable companies having problems. And I've seen on some of the results, they're stuck with a cable company, and they've got no other option. But you can now, you've got that option now, doing it yourself. Get yourself a Starlink dish. So that's the router, and I think the box behind it is the power pack.